The death toll from devastating storms in parts of China rose to 15 on Tuesday, with hundreds more injured and tens of thousands evacuated, state media reported, as the country's leader, Xi Jinping, urged all-out efforts to rescue people affected by the weather. Thunderstorms and gale-force winds killed at least 11 people and injured 331 in the central province of Hubei, where severe convective weather hit cities, while tornadoes were reported elsewhere late Monday, state news agency Xinhua said. Xinhua also reported that 4,800 houses had been damaged and 22 more collapsed. This episode of severe convective weather was characterized by its sudden onset and intense, short-duration winds, it added. In the southern region of Guangxi, heavy rains and severe flooding from Typhoon Maysak killed at least 4 people, with at least 50,000 people evacuated, while 8 people were still missing. Officials in Nanning, Guangxi's capital, raised the flood control emergency response to the highest level after torrential rain breached dams. Dramatic video shared by state media showed a torrent of muddy water rushing past the crumbled concrete walls of a reservoir dam that had burst. She said on Tuesday that rescuers should go all out in organizing emergency operations, state media reported. Rescue workers wearing life vests and helmets searched for people, while others were deployed on inflatable boats, state media footage showed. On Tuesday morning, a landslide in a village in the northwestern province of Guangxi buried 33 people in a separate incident, with 17 of them successfully rescued, CCTV said, without specifying what caused it. Local authorities are making every effort to search for those still trapped, properly relocate and settle affected residents, and strictly guard against secondary disasters, it added. Natural disasters are common across China, particularly in the summer, when some regions experience intense rainfall while others bake in scorching heat. Scientists warn the intensity and frequency of global extreme weather events will increase as the planet continues to heat up because of fossil fuel emissions. At least 22 people were killed in China in May after heavy rains lashed its central and southern regions, with some places hit by record-breaking rainfall, state media reported.